To share your Wi-Fi connection by using the QR code, we'll first click the Start menu on the bottom, and then go to Settings. Or, you can hold down the Windows key and press the letter I on your keyboard. That'll also open your settings. Once you're in the settings, you'll first click Network and Internet on the left, and then click Wi-Fi on the very top of the list. If you want to share the Wi-Fi you're currently connected to, you'll see that under the Wi-Fi toggle on the top, and you're going to click that. If you wanted to share access to a Wi-Fi network you've been connected to in the past, you'd go find it under Manage Known Networks. I'll click my current network, and once I click into that, I'll just click Show next to Wi-Fi Network Password. Not only does this show the password, which I'm blurring for privacy reasons, it generates a QR code. You could now point any smartphone or tablet camera to the code, and they can connect instantly without having to manually type the password. If you're doing this for a network you're not currently connected to, just go to Manage Known Networks, and then find the correct network and click Show Password. Easy peasy. Click the like button if this helped, share with a friend who should start using this trick, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all. Until next time.